Yeah. All right. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Yeah, it's Christmas time.
Oh, so 4. That's it? We only have 4?
4.
All right. Which one's it going to be?
My Christmas cube? You will decide.
I will decide?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'll tell you what, bud. You go back to Mommy's tomorrow, don't you?
Yeah.
So we only have today and tomorrow, don't we?
Yeah.
So that means we have 2 days and 4 cubes. So how many cubes do we open today and how many tomorrow?
One today and one tomorrow.
Okay, but then that's 2, and then we have 2 left. So what about these 2? Should we open more than 1 then today and more than 1 tomorrow? Do you want to do 2 today, 2 tomorrow, and finish them up?
Yeah.
Or do you want to do 1 today, 1 tomorrow, and keep a couple for later? Or do you want to see what we get and then decide?
See what we get and then decide.
Okay, so then I'm going to go with number 1, because you know Daddy's a number 1 cube kind of guy, right?
No, I thought you were last.
Oh, you were first. I was last.
Yeah.
Okay, then I'm going to go back. I'm going to do 4. Oh, boy.
Good.
All right. Let me click this. What? No, it's coming down. Okay. I think it's going. Oh, it's breathing. I think Christmas, right? I don't know. Christmas Day, a peppermint Orco would be cool.
Yeah.
Oh!
No! We can open it!
An uncommon. Look at that cool thing he's wearing. Yes! That was cool. Oh, man, look at how cool he looks. Let's go to the backpack. Look, because there's the common. Wait, where's common and uncommon side by side? Where are they? Where are they? Oh, there he is. So there's common, and there's uncommon. Yeah. Look at them. Oh, man, look, he's got the cool little gold fringe and the gold cuffs. And then his Orco logo is much cooler. Wow, what do you think?
And his scarf are different. One's golden and one's pink.
So tell you what, we're a little bit short on time, so how about this? Maybe we'll surprise everybody and open one tonight, too. Maybe we'll make a surprise. We'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see how Christmas Day goes, right?
Yay.
Cool. All right, everybody. We'll see you maybe later. Maybe tomorrow. I guess we don't know.
Or maybe next week.
No, next week. Don't make them wait till next week. Okay. We'll see everybody at some time in the future.
Yeah. Maybe in a year.
Get out of here.
8 years.
Bye.
Bye.